improper fraction and mixed fraction.
Proper, improper, and
Mixed.
mixed fraction. Very good. Proper,
improper,
improper,
mixed,
proper fraction. Sorry. Improper
Fraction.
and
mixed
mixed
fraction.
fraction. Right? Now we all know that proper is already a proper fraction. We don't have to do anything. 20 marks ની ટેસ્ટ હોય તો એમાંથી 15 આવે એ વાજિબ છે. It is good. Uncomfortable નથી લાગતું કે 20 marks ની ટેસ્ટ માંથી 15 તો આવી જ શકે. Are you getting? But can we ever see out of 15 marks you must have scored 20?
No.
No. So that is said to be જે વસ્તુ ગળે ન ઉતરે એને શું કહેવાય? Improper. Comfortable નથી ભાઈ, કઈક ખોટું છે. Are you getting? So that fraction is always converted to which fraction?
Mixed.
And this mixed fraction is always converted to which fraction?
Improper.
So while converting the fractions, we have to not to look to this fraction. Proper fraction no the answer ave, that is only our answer. Are you getting? But whenever we get improper fraction, our answer has to be converted to
Mixed fraction.
mixed fraction. Now we have completed up till here in our last lecture. Now our main content is to add and subtract the fractions. Add and subtract. How to add and subtract. See, both the things I am going through with the same. Adding and subtracting both together. Why? Because these two things having the same situation to follow for the fractions. Is that clear? We have to take care of like and unlike fractions. Any doubt with this? Now everyone knows we already discussed about what do you mean by like fractions and what do you mean by unlike fractions. Can anyone? Boy, sorry, girls?
Can I?
Yes, Rabia beta.
In like fractions, denominators are same, and in unlike
Very
fraction,
good.
denominators are not same.
Very good. So when we have 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 7 upon 5, 9 upon 5, we already know that the denominator is what? Whether it is a proper fraction, whether it is improper fraction, but the denominator is what?
Same.
Same.
Are you getting? That
Same.
fraction is said to be
Like fraction.
like fraction. And when we have 2 upon 5, 3 upon 7, 7 upon 11, 12 upon 17. So what does this mean? Whether it is a proper or improper, we don't care. But what do you mean by this? The denominators are different. So it is said to be
unlike fraction.
Unlike
unlike fraction. Is that all clear, girls?
Yes.
And sir, આ શું કામમાં આવે છે? This is not in our textbook. આ textbook માં એટલે નથી because this content has been cleared in your 6th standard. Which standard? In your 6th standard. છઠ્ઠા ધોરણમાં તમને already આ બધું clear થઈ ગયું છે.
Yes,
Got it?
sir.
Yes.
So for this purpose, this topic is not in your textbook. But without this topic, we cannot learn this adding and subtracting of fractions. Is that clear?
Yes.
Adding and subtracting of fractions. We cannot go through with this without like and unlike fractions. Now we can understand that while adding and subtracting is be required to check about like and unlike. How to check? As if I say plus 3 upon 6. Sorry, I'm so sorry. 3 upon 4. Chalo. Then this means what? You know that we
Like
have to
fraction.
add here. What we have to do? We have to add
Yes.
Add. Now
Yes, sir.
check out. Both the denominators are same.
Same.
Yes, sir.
Let me tell you one thing. You have to compulsory take care that denominator should be same. Then only we can take a current LCM as 4. 2 plus 3 will be 5 upon 4. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
When
sir.
we can add, whether it is plus sign, whether it is subtract sign, both the things method is same. You have to check the denominators. If it goes equal, if we have like fractions, right? Or if we don't have like fractions, then we have to convert this into like fractions. Are you getting?
Yes.
समझ पड़े थे girls?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we can we keep this as our answer? 5 upon 4? Can
Yes.
we keep this? Yes?
No,
આ
sir.
આન્સર મૂકી શકાય આપણે?
No.
Why? Why we cannot keep this as our answer? Girls? Come on, Rabia, Amrin, Fatima, Aina, Aisha, Dolia Aisha છે કે નથી?
In denominator there is 4 and numerator is 5.
So what it is said to be? Sorry?
Proper.
Improper fraction. So improper fraction કોઈ દિવસ આન્સર માં ના હોય. It has to be converted to which fraction?
સર તમારો અવાજ નથી આવતો.
Are you all getting now?
Yes.
Yes.
Your voice
Yes.
is clear, sir, only when they're unmuting. That's why it's making a noise, I suppose.
All right. Now is it clear, girls?
Yes.
Yes.
Now this is improper fractions. So compulsory we have to convert this into mixed fraction. So 5 is divided by 4. So 5 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. So one integer.
Yes.
1 upon 4 is our answer. Any doubt with this?
No, sir.
Therefore, 2 upon 4 plus, it was plus here, 3 upon 4 gives us one integer 1 upon 4 as our answer. Is that clear how to describe and how to add or subtract the like fractions?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, girls?
No, sir.
Okay, so this was the content about the like fractions. Now I am giving you one example for unlike fractions, okay? Okay, so what if I say 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon 5? Chalo. Now can I say that these two fractions we have to add here? We forget, just leave the content whether to add or subtract. અહીંયા પ્લસ ની જગ્યા માઇનસ હોય તો પણ સેમ મેથડ અને સેમ થિંગ જ ફોલો કરવાની છે. Understood? So right now,
Okay, sir.
if it is addition, we have to check the denominators. Are they equal?
No.
No, sir.
If the denominators are not equal, then what this kind of a fractions are said to be?
Unlike.
Unlike fraction. So unlike fraction has to be converted to which fraction?
Like fraction.
Like fraction. Until and unless we convert this to the like fractions, we cannot add this, we cannot subtract this. એટલે આવી રીતે we cannot keep this as our answer. 6 upon 8, 3 plus 5 8, 2 plus 4 6. આવી રીતે આપણે આન્સર મૂકી શકીએ નહીં. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So for this to make, I mean to convert these unlike fractions to like fractions, what is the process? Process is LCM. Everyone knows how to form an LCM, right? So what are the two denominators we have, which are the different numbers? 3 and 5.
5.
કયા બે નંબર છે girls?
Okay.
3
and
and
5.
5. So 3 and 5 we will take here as to find our LCM. So 3 ones are 3. 5 as it is because 3 na table ma 5 ave nahi. Understood?
Nahi.
So for this
Yes, sir.
purpose 5 carry forward as it is. Now 5 no table. 5 1 will be as it is here. 5 ones are 5. So what is the LCM for this? LCM is 3. 3 and 5. 3 into 5 is 15. What is the LCM you got?
15.
15.
So હવે આપણી જોબ શું? બંને ફ્રેક્શન્સ ને ડિનોમિનેટર જે 3 અને 5 છે એ બંને ડિનોમિનેટર ને કેમાં કન્વર્ટ કરવાના છે? 15 માં. 15 માં. How? See, first step, 2/3. First fraction, what we have? 2/3. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this 3 has to be converted to 15. This 3 has to be converted to 15. Same way, second is what? 4/5. What is the fraction? Second one? 4/5.
5.
So this also has to be converted to 15.
15.
So 3 ને 15 સુધી લઈ જવા કેટલા સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાનું? 5. So if denominator is multiplied with 5, numerator will be multiplied with the same number. So 2
Yes.
5s are 10.
10.
Okay. Same way 5 has to multiply by what number to get 15?
3.
3s are.
3.
So if denominator is multiplied with 3, you have to multiply numerator with 3.
12.
So 4 3s are.
12.
12.
Now can I say that 10/15 and 12/15 both the denominators are equal? It is said to be like fractions here.
Yes.
Now can I add or can I subtract easily now?
Yes.
Now is equal to 10/15 plus 12/15. Any doubt here? દેખાય છે girls? Step દેખાય છે?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So coming here, continuing with this step, we will take 15 as a common LCM here. 15 is common, so I'll take 15 here. And numerator is 10 plus 12. So what is our answer? 22/15. Now check out. 15 marks ની test માંથી 22 marks આવે કોઈ દિવસ?
No, it's proper.
No.
9.
No. Who is that girl whose camera is on? What is her name? Nadim, whose idea is that? So 22/15 is improper fraction. What it is said? Improper. We have to convert that into
Proper. Proper fraction.
proper
Proper
fraction માં
form.
convert થાય.
Mixed.
proper માં convert થાય. કોઈ દિવસ
Mixed fraction.
સરે શીખડાયું એક કે લેક્ચર માં એવું? It is
Sukun
converted to always a mixed fraction.
बेटा
15 ones are 15. So 22 minus 15 will be 7. So what will be
Okay.
our answer? 1 integer 7/15. Any doubt here, girls?
No, sir. No, sir.
Any
No,
doubt
sir.
with this sum?
No,
At
sir.
the
No,
end,
sir.
you can write the
No.
conclusion. Conclusion you can write like this. Therefore, 2/3 plus 4/5 is 1 integer 7/15 as your answer. Is that clear, girls?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this was about addition, and with the same process you have to do for subtraction. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt, girls? કોઈને કાઈ doubt હોય તો
No,
કયો.
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. No.
Sure है बच्चा पाटिल?
No. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. चलो coming back to multiplication. Okay. Now addition ને subtraction જેમ સાથે હતા એમ division ને multiplication સાથે નથી. We have to take care of multiplication in different form, and division has one step more to be followed to complete the process. Okay? So I'll teach you both the things one by one. So we are right now in multiplication of fraction. Okay? Multiplying the fractions. How to multiply these fractions? If I say 6 upon 4, multiply by 3. Sir, આપણે તો fractions ની વાત થઈ છે. It is the number.
3
3 ની નીચે automatic 1 હોય જ. Whatever number addition માં છે 2 upon 4 plus 7. ચલો તો 7 ની નીચે 1 હોય જ. Are you getting? કે minus હોય, whatever it may be, it is compulsory that any number has a denominator 1 itself. It is invisible. લખો તોય ઠીક, ન લખો તોય ઠીક. Are you getting?
Yes.
સમજાય છે? So if we want to multiply these fractions, can I put a 1 in denominator? 3 ની નીચે 1 મૂકી શકું હું?
Yes.
So we do not have to do anything now. Don't go through with whether it is like fractions or unlike fractions. You have to simply multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So what is numerator and numerator? Yes, 3 6 are 18, 4 1s are 4. Understood?
Yes, sir.
समझ पड़े छे?
Yes.
Now 4 mark ની ટેસ્ટ માંથી 18 marks આવે?
Improper.
Improper. So on what you have to convert this at?
Mixed.
4 4s are 16. So it will be 2 here. So you will be getting 4 integers, 2 upon 4. 2 upon 4. Now can you see 2 and 4 also is getting cut with each other? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So we will get 4 integer 1 upon 2 as our answer. સમજાય છે?
Yes.
sir.
કા તો પછી મિક્સ ફ્રેક્શન માં આપણે કટ આઉટ ન કરવું હોય ને તો શું કરવાનું? You got this improper fraction here?
Yes.
સમજાય છે? તો અહીંયા ને અહીંયા પેલા કટ કરી નાખવાનું. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. So what you got here? 9 upon 2. So 9 upon 2 ને પણ કન્વર્ટ કરો ને, so you will get 4 integer 1 upon 2 as your answer. સમજાય છે girls?
Yes. Yes.
Do you have any doubt while multiplying the fractions?
No.
Again repeating,
sir.
when we multiply, we have to take care numerator will be multiplied with numerator directly. We do not have to see whether it is like fractions, whether it is unlike fractions. We have to simply multiply n with n and d with d. That means denominator with denominator.
Yes,
All right,
sir.
girls?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Now moving to the next topic is division. Eight divided by 7 upon 3. 8 divided by 7 upon 3. Now can we say that division, સરે કીધું કે કઈક આપણે એકાદ બે સ્ટેપ અલગ છે. So what is the difference of multiplication and division? Division, again, first step, can I take this 8 upon 1? Division as it is 7 upon 3. Can I take like this?
Yes.
Yes or no? હવે આટલું યાદ રાખવાનું. If you take 6 divided by 2, you can keep 6 upon 2. Can we take 6 divided by 2 is 6 upon 2?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
સમજાય છે? Okay. So 6 upon 2 means what? It is forming already one fraction. So I cannot write like this upon my 7 upon 3. Division is not possible with the fraction form. Is that clear? સમજાય છે
Yes,
girls?
sir.
સમજાય છે કે નહીં? તો
sir.
સર તો કેવી રીતે કરવાનું?
sir.
we have to simply take care that this division sign will be converted to multiplication sign. આ સાઇન ને શું કરવાની છે? ડિવિઝન છે એને શું બનાવવાનું છે? મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન. In other words, we have to do reciprocal. What we have to do? Reciprocal. What do you mean by reciprocal? 8 upon 1 will be as it is. First fraction will be as it is. This division sign will be converted to multiplication sign. Okay? And this next fraction, what we have after sign, will be simultaneously moving numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. That means it will be converted to 3 upon 7. Any doubt? 7 upon 3 નું શું થઈ ગયું? Reciprocal. શું થઈ ગયું?
Reciprocal.
That means this 7 upon 3 is converted to what? 3 upon 7. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
હવે આપણું normal multiplication form આવી ગયું here. Can we multiply now easily? Numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator.
Yes.
8 3s are 24, 7 1s are 7. હવે 7 માર્કની ટેસ્ટ માંથી 24 માર્ક્સ આવે કોઈ દિવસ?
No.
આવતા હોય તો રહેવા દેવાનો આન્સર. આવે છે? કોઈ દિવસ પોસિબલ છે?
No.
Not possible. That
No.
means it is improper fraction.
No.
So again, coming back to our solution. 24 divided by 7. 7 3s are 21.
20.
Again 3. So we got finally as 3 integer 3 upon 7 is our answer. Any doubt here, girls?
No,
No.
No, sir.
પાક્કું બધું સમજાઈ
No,
ગયું
sir.
બચ્ચે લોગ?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
આવડશે ને girls?
Yes.
Okay, ચલો. Next topic. Again, multiplication અને division માં કોઈ દિવસ like fractions કે unlike fractions જોવાના નહીં.
નહીં.
Like અને unlike fractions કયા બે વસ્તુમાં જોવાના? Only for addition and subtraction.
Subtraction.
Okay, girls. Chalo. Now we are going to learn how to form a simplest fraction. That means fraction no simplest form. Okay? If I say first fraction is what? 12 upon 18. Chalo. If the question arises at find the simplest form of 12 upon 18. Simplest form means what? Numerator and denominator least number માં આવવા જોઈએ. That means જ્યાં સુધી એકબીજા સાથે divide ન થાય. Or we can say in other words, એકબીજા એક જ ટેબલમાં common ન આવતા હોય ત્યાં સુધી આપણે deduct કરતા રહેવાનું છે. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So we will
Yes,
start
sir.
with table number 2. The common table, smallest table is what? Can I say I can cut this with 2? Excuse me. 2 is the smallest table. I can divide both the things with 2. 6 and this will be 9. Can I cut here like this also? 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18. સમજાય છે શું કર્યું સર?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now this 6 upon 9, can I say that common table I can take 3 here?
3.
3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So can I say 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9? See, this is different method what I am doing, and this one is different method what I am doing. I am showing you both the methods simultaneously.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
હું ડાયરેક્ટ કટ કરીને પણ બતાવું છું, હું તમને પર્સનલી ડિવાઇડ કરીને પણ બતાવું છું. ડિવાઇડ કેની સાથે? પ્રાઇમ ટેબલ સાથે, which is the smallest common table in which both the numbers are included. So smallest common table કયો છે? પેલા 2 માં બંને આવે છે? Yes, આવે છે. That means 6 upon 9. 2 માં નથી આવતું. 6 2 માં આવે છે, 9 નથી આવતો. That means we cannot take 2 now. We have to compulsory go through and find out for 3. So 3 માં બંને આવે છે. Are you getting? Now can we divide 2 and 3 with each other?
No.
This is our simplest form. Therefore, the simplest form of 12 upon 18 is 2 upon 3. Any doubt with this topic?
No, sir.
Sir,
No.
Bolo.
sir, can we take directly the biggest like 12 upon 18, so we can also divide it by 6? So is it necessary to start from 2 only, or we can start from 6?
બચ્ચા જો એક વસ્તુ તને કહી દઉં, if it is very easy number like this, you can easily take the bigger number, but it will be uncomfortable when you go with the bigger numbers. જ્યારે મોટા ડિજિટ કે મોટા નંબર્સ આવશે ને ત્યારે તમને તકલીફ પડશે. For that purpose I am not teaching you directly to take the higher digit to deduct with each other. Are you getting? If you go with the base number, it will be very much easy. 2 થી 3 સ્ટેપ થાય એમાં શું ફરક પડે? આપણે કઈ ફરક પડે? આપણો કન્ટેન્ટ ના મકસદ શું હોય? To get the correct answer. That's it. એમાં એક મિસ્ટેક થાય ને તો એટલે આપણો આન્સર 2 upon 3 ની જગ્યાએ somewhat else પણ આવી શકે. Is that all clear, girls?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
જલસા ને ફ્રેક્શન માં
हाँ सर
પાક્કું?
Yes, sir.
So we have completed our topic of the half chapter. Almost I can say fraction નું almost આ chapter માં 70% છે. That means our fraction part is over. Fraction part is over.
બરાબર.
Sorry? Fractions માં આટલી વસ્તુ હતી જે આપણે already study કરી નાખી. Okay? Now we are in which topic?
Decimal.
Decimal.
સ્ક્રીન દિખાઈ દે રહી है.
કોણે બ્લર થાય છે બેટા? બાકી બધા સ્ટુડન્ટ ને તો ફાઇન દેખાય છે. Are you getting properly, girls?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
તો પછી કેમ
Yes,
એક દીકરીને
sir.
પ્રોબ્લેમ આવે છે? Please check your internet connection or you can rejoin the link.
Okay, sir.
Chalo, decimals. What do you mean by decimals? Can anyone tell me what do you mean by decimals? Girls? Anyone from the class? Decimal at least two. Come on. कोई नहीं. Not even a single child.
सर कैन यू मोदेसा राजानी
હા
Okay,
મોહદેસા
nice.
ક્યાં હતી તું? મોહદેસા ક્યાં હતી એટલી વારથી?
Sir, can I Rabia?
Sir, can I dare Afizan?
Girls, one girl asked me first, so I will give her a chance. Mohdesa will answer. Then if she is wrong, I'll give you the chance to the other girl. Come on, Mohdesa.
Okay.
हाँ सर तो फ्रैक्शन में केवू होय फ्रैक्शन में केवू होय 1/0 1/8 ने 8/0 ने એવું બધું હોય ને તો અંકે આમાં છે ને ગમે એવી નંબર હોય ન્યુમરેટર માં ડિનોમિનેટર માં અગર 10 હોય ને એક જ 0 હોય ને તો 0.8 અગર 8 લખે ને 0.8 એ રીતના
Okay, you are related to the answer, but I want one word to describe this decimal. I want only in one word.
સર કેન
કોઈ description કે કોઈ મોટા lengthy answers નથી જોતા. What do you mean by a word decimal? Yes, who is that girl?
Can I tell Lakhani Tanzil?
Lakhani Tanzil will answer me. Yes.
Point numbers.
Sorry?
Point numbers like 2.3, 3.2.
Very good. Point number nahi. Decimal means a dot itself between the numbers. A dot દેખાય છે બધાને bold?
Yes. Yes.
This is known as decimal if it is used between the number. Is that clear?
યસ
Yes.
સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Yes.
हाँ सर
If today's rate of petrol નો આજનો ભાવ અગર આપણે જાણવો છે, so if the petrol is 94 rupees and 38 paisa, that means what? This dot is working for what? આ આખું તો rupees જ કહેવાય છે. But can you see that this 94 is rupees and this 38 is paisa here.
Yes.
समझ पड़े छे के नहीं?
Yes.
Yes.
If, for example, you scored 82.73% in your sixth standard. So can you see 82.73%?
Yes.
Yes.
sir.
This point means what? It is said to be
Sir, my screen just.
this
Decimal.
point is
Decimal.
said to be what? Decimal. Anybody has any doubt with the word decimal?
No.
No, sir.
Okay.
No.
Now
No,
we
sir.
will learn. हाँ बोल बेटा. बोलो. Chalo. Coming to our topic now, comparing. We have to compare the decimals. Okay. How to compare a decimal? If I say 3.2, 1.7. Now if I say which one is greater or which one is smaller, how can we recognize? How can we recognize? હવે તમને decimal જવા દો. If I say 6 and 10, which one is greater?
10.
10.
10.
6 or 9, which one is greater?
9. 9.
9. You know this. Why? Because you know that it is single digit. So single digit ની બાજુમાં અગર હું એક 0 મૂકી દઉં, now which one is greater?
9.
Now which one is greater?
9. 10. 10.
Again 9, again 10. Are you getting?
Yes.
How you are getting
Yes.
this? How you are getting this? તમે શું કરશો? Decimal ના પહેલાનો number. That means whatever number we have, we will start from our left side. ડાબી side થી number. If it is, for example, 36 and 29. હવે કયો મોટો છે? ચલો. હવે કયું મોટું છે? 36 and 29.
36.
36 is greater. Why? Because we are starting to compare here. અહીંયા શું છે? 3 છે. અહીંયા શું છે? 2 છે. So 3 મોટો કે 2 મોટો?
3.
3. That means પછીના જે કોઈ ડિજિટ નંબર હોય, we don't care. We don't care. પેલો ડિજિટ શું છે? 3. અગર બે ડિજિટ સાથે હોય તો, હા, બંને ડેસિમલ પેલા બે ડિજિટ હોય તો. Are you getting? સમજ પડે છે કે નહીં?
Yes.
So, ડેસિમલ પેલા અહીંયા કયો ડિજિટ છે? બંને બંને ડેસિમલ પછી એક 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 ડિજિટ છે. So can we compare this easily? Decimal પેલાનો નંબર જોવાનો. What is the digit here?
3.
0.2 પછી ભલે નાનો હોય મોટો હોય, we don't care. Point પેલા 3 digit છે. અહીંયા point પેલા શું છે?
1.
1. So 3 is greater or 1 is greater?
3. 3 is greater.
So 3.2 is greater in as compared to 1.7.
7.
Understood?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Chalo, I'll continue with this comparison topic in our next lecture, okay? Our time is up right now. Your homework is to revise. Your homework is to revise all the topics what we have cleared in the class. Please refer it one time at least, okay? Chalo, do take care of yourself, take care of your health, and take care of your family as well. And enjoy your next lecture. Have a nice time, girls.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Have a nice day.
Bye, sir. Bye.
You too. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz, everyone.
Vikra.
Yes. बहुत आवाज आ रहा है।